Truck team! Super truck team! Huddle! I'm the excavator, and I'm good at digging. Team leader is needed for this task. Crane! Crane, transform! Woohoo! Super truck team, let's set off! Full speed ahead! Go, go, go! You're finally here, truck team! Come with me! This amusement park has been abandoned for a long time. I want to renovate it. Truck team, I'll count on you. No problem. You can count on us. Super truck team, let's get to work! I am the crane. Let's assemble the equipment. The building of aquarium is completed. I am the crane. Let's install the new cabins for the Ferris wheel. Install the cabins on the Ferris wheel. Yeah! The installation of Ferris wheel is completed. I am the crane, and I will also be in charge of repairing broken roller coaster. Let's assemble the tracks first. The installation of roller coaster tracks is completed. I am the bulldozer. Let me clean up the ground before inflating the castle. I am the lawn spreader. I'm good at laying lawn. Next, let's inflate the castle. Swipe up to connect the pump with the castle. Tap the button to inflate the castle. The bouncy castle is ready. Yeah, the construction of the amusement park is completed. I'm quite satisfied with the renovated amusement park. Thank you so much.